And let's see if it'll let me share my screen.
I think
Yeah, it looks like it will. Okay. All right. Are y'all looking at? You see my screen with the Regina Shelley website?
I got it. Looks great.
Okay. All right. So I'm logged in, and I am going to go over to that Franklinton page.
All right.
Okay. So up here where it says modules, I'm going to add a new module.
Without having to edit the page?
Yeah, I don't have to edit the page for this.
Okay.
And I'm going to search for Easy DNN Gallery. And I will add it to the content pane.
That's DNN. Okay.
And we may have to move it, but yes,
okay,
it's this one, Easy DNN Gallery.
Okay. I'm not going to do it, so I'm just going to watch you.
Okay. All right, so I'm clicking on Add to Content pane. And now it put it down here, which, okay, so you had already put one in there?
Apparently, yeah.
All right, I'm going to delete one of them.
Apparently, I got that far.
Okay.
So at least I know I'm kind of in the right direction.
All right, so let's, we're going to go into Manage Content.
Mm-hmm.
And then this is where we have, so galleries are, they're organized by category, and then inside of each category, you can have a gallery.
Okay.
So, all right, we have location photos. Let's open that. Let's see what's in there. Okay, so like we have a Franklinton gallery. I'm not sure.
I might have deleted that one out already. I got that far.
So there was a gallery on the
page?
There
was one there, and I took it out because the picture was rather dated. So apparently I was able to delete it. Maybe I shouldn't have deleted it.
Okay. So, let's see. There were only 11 images in there.
Mm-hmm.
But, you know, what we could do is we could just create a new gallery. You could have gone into that one and deleted the old photos and added new ones into it.
Okay. Well, you want to show me just exactly what you're doing there?
So how do you want to handle that? Do you want to just create a new gallery and leave the old one hanging out where it's not being used, or do you want to delete the photos out of it?
Well, let's look at the gallery that's in there. I'm sorry, one second.
The only thing that we need to do, every time you do a print, you need to add that. You want me to send you that electron?
Yes, do that, and I'll come back and talk to you about it too. And see exactly what we need to do. Okay. Thank you. I'm so sorry, Brian. And so, which way direction do we want to go into? Do we want? Would you show me first how to actually edit the pictures in a gallery that's already existed? Maybe that would. I guess that's the first step.
Yeah. So we'll just open that Franklinton gallery, and then you can see the images that are inside of it. And
now, why is that so much easier? Okay, great.
And you can change this to where it'll show you all of them on one page if you want. If you wanted to delete the image, then you could just, you know, selectively delete them, you know, just by clicking on the delete button.
Now, when you delete them, does it take it off the page only? It doesn't delete them from our pictures. It just gets them out of the gallery?
No, it will actually delete it.
Oh, it takes it out of the website. Okay. All right. Yeah. And that's fair too.
So, and then down here at the bottom is where you would add new images in. But if you wanted to keep this old gallery, then you can. You can also, like, if you wanted to save these images and move them to another gallery, then you could, you know, select the ones that you wanted to move, and then move them, you know, to another, or actually, no, I'm telling you the wrong thing here. We'll see. Okay, so I've selected them here, and I could select all of them if I wanted, you know, by just clicking on select all, and then I could do this copy and move selected, and I could move them into another gallery. So first I would select my category and, let's say I wanted to move them into the Ponchatoula gallery, I could do that. Or I could go create a new gallery in there that I just called it old photos, and I could move them all over there, and that way you still have them, but they're no longer going to display in that gallery. But the easiest thing to do is, like, if you just don't want these pictures to display in there anymore, then the thing to do is just to create a new gallery. So again, I would go into manage content. I would open my location photos, and then we've got this Franklinton, but we'll do one right here where it says add new gallery. We'll call it Franklinton 2020.
Okay, great. Yeah.
Add that, and then it's going to be at the bottom. It doesn't organize them alphabetically by default, but what I can do is, you see these numbers over here where it says position. So let's say I want to put Franklinton 2020 right here between Franklinton and Hammond. Well, Franklinton's 50, Hammond is 60. So I'll go make this 55. So where it says Franklinton 2020, I'll make that 55. I'll click on Save Positions, and then it will drop it in between Franklinton and Hammond. So it's right there now.
Okay, I understand that. That's pretty cool.
All right. And then I open the gallery, and I have it set to multi-image upload.
Okay, that's good.
I'm gonna upload a couple of images in here so you can see this.
Okay. Now I've actually got some. I thought I uploaded the images already.
You know where you put them?
But I think they're under FHS, a folder called FHS. But I mean, by all means, go ahead and show me what you're doing there.
So you put them into a folder on the website?
I thought I did. Yeah.
Okay, so if you did that, then we can go to From Server folder.
Okay.
And then, let's see. What did you say you think you called it?
I thought I put it under Images, and I think I called it FHS. However, it might not be.
Images.
Scroll on down. That would be FHS for like Franklinton Head Start.
Lots of folders on the server. What in the world? This one? Yeah, images / FHS.
There it is. Yeah.
Okay. So, so we've got that selected. And then down here, let's select Resize Image. And we'll do a max width of 1,000. We'll do also a max height of 1,000. Okay. And then now you can put names on the images here, but like if you put it, if you typed a name in here, it would name them all the same. So there's really no point in doing that. But we'll click on Add Images. It'll take it a minute. Okay.
Great. There they are.
And these are the images?
That's them. Yep.
Okay. They're very strange size.
Yeah, it looks like they clipped them.
Yeah, or off of a cell phone or something.
Probably.
All right. Yeah, they don't look that great because of these strange sizes. But anyway, they're up there. Okay, so I'm going to click on Exit. And now what we have to do is go into that gallery and tell it which ones to display. So I'll click on the gallery settings. And there's all kinds of different galleries that we can put up there. So I'm not going to I'm just going to leave that alone right now.
Okay.
We're going to select the gallery. So we're going to go into location photos right here. And then we will select Franklinton 2020. All right. Category is going to be no. Galleries is going to be no. And we are going to do items and details. And there's so much in here that we can change, but let's just save it and see what it looks like. Because we may end up, probably will end up going in and creating a different style of gallery. But you know, so this is what it looks like right now, and it, you know, it allows people to go do star ratings and all kind of stuff, which we can turn all of that off.
Oh no, that's awesome.
So, and it's got download buttons where people can download them. So, you like that stuff in there?
I think that's really kind of cool. So
It's
from
sharing.
Now they won't see the upload.
No, that's
okay. So if I want to put more, do I go in and I just click upload?
You know, I've never used that feature, but yeah, it looks that way because it's got the selected gallery, and I can select the file and upload it from right there. So yeah,
I need to change all of mine to that. What if there's a feature that'll automatically reset all my stuff?
There's not. No.
Redo. You know, because easy is better. You know, easy is certainly better.
Now I'm personally not a fan of all of this stuff on here.
Mm-hmm.
You know, because what happens? Somebody goes in here and they start, like, you know, rating people. You know, it's like,
right. Okay.
I don't know. It's just weird. But I mean, that's totally up to you.
So let's see. So I gave somebody 5 stars just now. The second picture. And so if you refresh.
Yeah. So it's got the 5.0 now.
Nice. Huh. Okay. Well, you know, we'll try that. We'll try that rating deal out and see if we don't like it or don't like it, and if I need to remove it, I'm sure we can.
Okay. Yeah, you can click on it and it'll enlarge. Yeah, I don't really like that. Let's see. Let's go into it and I think if I turn off details, it will get rid of that. So now, yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's better. Oh, yeah. Super cool.
Let's see. So I didn't change. The only thing that I did was I selected the gallery. So I select the category, then I selected the gallery that I wanted it to display. I turned on the display levels, no, yes, no. And if you do that on any new galleries, then it's going to look exactly like this one.
Mm-hmm.
So any other questions on that?
No, I think that's actually pretty easy. There was one. What was the type of gallery that you used? Was it the first one, Gravity Gallery?
Yeah, I didn't even. That was selected by default. It's always going to be that one.
Gotcha. Okay.
There's tons of them. Look, I'm gonna Slack you a link, or not Slack. I'll put a link in the chat here on Zoom, if I can find it.
Yeah.
All right, why is it not? What if I can't? Oh, here we go. You got that? I just put a link in the chat.
Yep. Sure did.
Okay, so
Easy DNN solutions.
yep, these are the modules that are on the website that control the photo galleries and image rotators and all that stuff. And if you go to the demos section, you can see all the different galleries and everything that are available. So there's so many of them. You could spend days clicking through here looking at all of the different features. But when you get down to the Easy DNN Gallery module, on the left-hand side, yeah, you can see the various galleries, what they look like and what they do and all that kind of stuff.
Well, I just went in and looked at another site. Go to my location at Bogalusa.
Okay.
Yeah, lost it. All I did was I went in and changed.
It says at the top, a critical error has occurred. Please check the event viewer.
What did you change?
All I did, I clicked the, I went in and I clicked the photo manager and I changed it to, I hit yes, no, yes, no. And it.
Right here under photos?
No, just photo manager at the bottom. Yeah, I'm sorry, yeah.
All right, let's just delete it.
That's so weird.
That didn't fix our critical error.
No, it didn't. Okay, so if you
There's still release of photos. Is that just the first?
Mm-mm. No, it didn't do any of that. Nope.
I don't know.
If you go back to like locations, pick another center that has like the A-Meet sign or one of those other centers.
Okay.
I'll show you exactly what I did. So, do they have pictures below? Oh, probably not, huh? No, they wouldn't have photos there. Okay, so actually go ahead and click the photos. Yeah, that. Went to gallery settings. I think that's what I did. I clicked gravity gallery and scrolled down. And the only thing I did was I set it to that right there, the no, items is yes, details is no. And
was there already a gallery selected?
Yeah, there was like a couple of pictures. Yep, I think that was it. Yep, Bogalusa, there it is. The second one, yeah. Oh, was there a gallery selected?
Shouldn't matter though.
Well, either way, I didn't even touch anything else. All I did was did that, save it, and wham, and it deleted it. All right, let's go down and see what happened there. Ooh.
Yeah, there's just no photos inside of this gallery. That's the only problem.
Yeah, but it wouldn't have cleared the content from the whole page.
No, no,
Shouldn't
no.
have.
No, it wouldn't have.
Okay, and that's fine. But the other page, see, I didn't touch anything else, and it cleared off the map, the information, the additional information. It cleared all that out. On the other Palooza site.
Did you have images for the Meet location that you were trying to put down there?
Boogaloo, it had these two pictures that you just put in under Meet. It had the two pictures that you just used. So.
Moving to a new place, wherever.
Okay, Boogaloo's is back. Okay, that's weird. I just refreshed my screen, now it's back. You have Shayna's picture and I don't, but
So
okay, that's strange. That's not the date.
So Boogaloo is back. I don't know. There's something with the gallery messed up, so we're just going to go to add a new module. Gallery.
Easy DNA.
Add it to the content pane.
What was that? Add to control?
Add to content pane.
Add to content, excuse me.
Yeah, so right there. Go into the gallery settings. We're going to leave it under Gravity Gallery.
Yeah.
Select location photos.
That's right.
Boogaloo. So we've got our gallery selected.
Okay, so it's there.
Yes.
No. Yes, no. Okay.
Save it. Go.
Oh, well, there it is. There that is.
Yeah, well,
all right.
Sometimes things just go a little goofy.
Yeah, I'll take a hiccup any day as long as we can fix it. Not a problem.
Yeah, it's always fixable.
Things happen. It's all right. All right, so now when we view it on, how do I get the DNN view off? In other words, if I just want to, no, it's not layout page. What's it called? I want to be able to look at the page as everyone else would see it.
So the way that I like to do it is
Yeah.
I just open a different browser. So if I'm working in Chrome, I'll open Firefox or Safari or something.
Yeah. Not a problem.
Where I'm not logged into it.
Yeah. Like Edge or something.
Now, you know, up here where it says edit page, you can hover over that and hit close edit mode, and it'll sort of show you what it looks like, but you'll still have things like the upload button.
Yeah, that's what I don't want to see. I want to see how it looks like if someone else would just pull it up and say, hey, yeah.
So yeah, you have to
Yeah,
log
okay.
out.
Actually, I think I
for
got
that.
Chrome up, so that should work. Let's see.
You know how to log out?
Yeah, but I'd rather not. Let's not
Yeah.
mess up. Let's not mess up the world, you know. Do you want to log out?
Oh no, I never log out.
Oh yeah, that looks great. Yeah. So I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it through Edge, and that looks fantastic.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, they should like that. Oh, except I got to get rid of the photos below. Okay, so now I'm frustrated. Okay, where'd those pictures come back? Let's go back to locations. Back to Franklinton. All the way down. And the photos under photos. So we need to get rid of the photos.
Where is this? Like the Franklinton?
Franklinton, right.
Yeah, and it's right under the gallery that you
Right.
put on.
Oh, I restored it.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So are you deleting that?
Let's see. So we go to manage content.
No. So for that, you go up to the top to edit page, and you go into edit mode.
Okay.
And then you'll scroll back down to that. You'll have 3 new little icons up there. And you got the middle icon as a little gear. Hover over that and click on delete.
Yes. Great.
Yeah.
Great. Works for me.
All right. Yeah, just let us know if you have any other questions.
Ryan and Michelle, thank you so much. I appreciate it. That was that should help out a lot. And when I get stuck again, I'll give you a buzz.
All right.
Yeah, you gotta love Zoom. This is great.
It is.
Y'all have a great day, and thanks again.
You enjoy the rest of yours.
Bye-bye.
Bye.